What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing what I'm going to call mocha makeup. So last week, or in the last makeup video, we did latte makeup. It was cute. It was real soft, very like everyday appropriate, but I want something a little bit deeper, a little bit richer. So we're going to do something a little bit darker, essentially the same, just darker, if that makes sense. So I don't know what to call it, so we're just gonna call it mocha makeup. I don't know, the coffee terms and their actual shades: latte, mocha, frappuccino, cappuccino. I don't know, so I'm just gonna go with mocha. It sounds like dark chocolate to me, so that's what we're gonna call it, mocha makeup. So let's go ahead and jump into the video. So I'm pretty much gonna do the same thing that I did last week. I'm gonna start with my base and then do the eyes after. But I'm just gonna like show y'all the product or put the name on the screen somewhere as I do my base makeup, and I'm just gonna go ahead and run through it and let y'all watch me, and then I'll talk when we get to the eyeshadow. So yeah, I'm just gonna run through this real quick. Okay, face is done, brows are done, so let's go ahead and jump into the eyeshadow and see if I can make this all come together like I'm envisioning it in my head. Okay, so we're gonna use the Patrick Ta Major Dimensions eyeshadow palette. This is the first one, and it looks like this. Okay, so I'm gonna take one of the cream shades over here. I'm gonna take this darkest cream shade, and I'm gonna put that on my lids first, just all over my lid. So I'm just using a dark brown cream on my lid first. And I'm gonna apply that under the eye as well. So this is what we have right now. I feel like this is already a little bit deeper than the first look, and it's giving me what I want. Next, I'm gonna take this brown shade right next to it, and I'm just gonna like put that on top and just work it like all over my lid. But I'm gonna put that on top of that cream color and then buff it out. Yeah, this is what I'm talking about. And then just to blend out a little bit more, I'm gonna take this shade here and blend out like all of this. Now I'm just gonna add this shade here. It's like a bronzy glitter shade. I'm just gonna take with my finger and pop it on my lid, kind of right in the middle there. Okay, now we're gonna line the eyes for liner. I'm taking my one size gel eyeliner pencil and I'm just lining my waterline. Okay, and then I'm actually gonna take this and do a little bit of liner on the top. Nope, that's not the brush. There we are. So I'm just gonna take this and put it on the outer corner of my eyes and then just like smudge it out with this little bitty brush. Okay, now I'm just gonna go in with some mascara and curl my lashes and then we'll move on to the lips. Okay, mascara's on. I didn't use brown mascara this time because I feel like I wasn't gonna be able to really see it and I wanted black. I wanted it to be dark. So now let's move on to the lips. I'm taking this Vieve lip liner in the shade Tailored and I'm just gonna line my lips. Then I'm just gonna take this Fenty Gloss Bomb. This is in Hot Chocolate and I'm gonna put that on. Alright you guys, so this is the finished makeup look. Just like a darker version of the latte makeup, and honestly I think I prefer this one better, like for my skin tone. I don't know, it's just, I like this better. It's smoky, it's giving fall. I like this. I think I like this one a little bit better than the latte trend for my skin tone. I feel like the latte makeup was a little bit soft. Obviously you can use whatever shades of brown that you want, but when I did it, I used kind of more skin tone browns, and this time I just wanted to go a little bit deeper. So yeah, I think I like this one a lot more. Y'all let me know what you think. Do you prefer latte makeup or are you gonna get into this mocha makeup? Okay, it's definitely gonna be the mocha for me. So thank you guys so much for watching and I will see y'all in the next video.